Alright, family, so welcome once again to the Original Source TV, the home of legit and original content on YouTube. Yes, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, staying with us through all this journey. Yes, we thank you. We really appreciate you. We are very, very glad. As you all can see, we are growing. We are still growing to a bigger family. And all we want to tell you is don't stop. Keep supporting. Keep streaming every video. Keep watching. Keep liking. Keep commenting. Yes, drop everything. Fire emojis. Yes, let's keep this going and let others too also get into it. Yes, we thank you. We are really, really glad. We are really, really glad, and we appreciate you for everything. Thank you for staying with us. Today we are back again on your screens to educate ourselves again. Yes, to educate ourselves on the Spanish visa processing requirements. Yes, as we already started, we already told you that the Spanish government is in need of 25 million immigrants in the next 30 years. So if you haven't watched that video, I want you to go back and stream it, yes, and get the basic idea and the basic information that we are talking about now. Yes, we followed it up with the requirements for student visa. So in the first video, we talked about the ways to enter Spain through visa. Yes, the legal ways to enter Spain, and we talked about the student visa, the Schengen visa, the occupation or employee or the working visa or the opportunity visa. Yes, and we talked that we mentioned the Schengen visa, we mentioned the tourism visa and the family visa. So we started with that, and later we went deeply into the details about the student visa requirements here. So today we are back again on your screens for the opportunity visa or the working or the employee visa. Yes, today we are here to give you the requirements for it. Yes, so I want you to stay with me, watch this video to the end, subscribe, like, share and comment. Yes, share for others to watch it and also be informed so that they can also start processing their documents, because this is the right time. You don't know when these people can change their minds or can change whatever they are doing. Yes, so I want you to share for others to also feel it. Yes, share for others to also feel it. So I want you to watch this video to the end. Yes, watch this video to the end so that we can all enjoy it. All right, so today we are here to dive into the requirements for the opportunity visa or the working visa or the employee visa. Yes, so without wasting my time, let's get into it. Yes, so the employee visa or the working or the opportunity visa is in two phases. Yes, the first one is the TRA. Yes, the TRA, it requires you to get a working contract from an employer here in Spain for you to process your documents. Yes, so today we are not talking about that. Yes, we are talking about the TRA. Yes, the TRA. It doesn't require any employer here. You just put in your visa over there, you come, you look for job, and when you secure it, you get your residence permit. Yes, as I already told you, later we are going to go into the benefits of getting a Spanish residence permit. Yes, so let's stick to this for now. All right, so these are the required documents. These are the required documents for the TRA, the opportunity visa, the working visa, or the employee visa. All right, so the first one is the national visa application form. Yes, the national visa application form. So I will post, I want you to comment if you are going to start your application, then you send your details so that I'll forward the national visa application form to you. Yes, so that you start with it. All right, you fill out everything, then you add the other documents. Okay, you comment and let me know if you want to start. Then I'll forward the national visa application form to you. Yes, it's free, so you let me know, then I'll forward it to you. All right, so after you get your national visa application form, you have to get a photograph. Yes, a passport size photograph, a valid unexpired passport. Yes, you need to get a valid unexpired passport. You need to get your birth certificate, your national identification card. Yes, you need to get all of them, and they have to be original, legit, and unexpired. Yes, you have to get all of them. Applicants must leave their passports in the consulate during visa processing time. So if you immediately start your visa application and you process it, your visa must be with the embassy. Yes, you don't have to keep your passport at home, yes, you have to keep your you have to leave your passport at the embassy. The embassy has to keep your passport for you, yes, and process everything. When everything is ready, they will stamp it with the visa. All right, so immediately you start your visa application, leave the passport with the embassy until everything is set and done. All right, so let's move on. You need the authorization initial of residence temporary fee self-assessment form. Yes, that one also let me know, so that if you are willing to start this processing, let me know. I'll forward all these documents to you. All right, I'll forward all these documents to you. Just comment and I'll forward them to you. All right, you fill in the EX09 form. Yes, authorization of assistance or residence temporary with exemption of authorization of working. Yes, so you need this form to then fill out. You tell them that you don't have any employer here, so you fill it out and you attach it to the other documents. All right, so let's move on. You need proof of being in one of the cases of exemption from the work authorization. Yes, so if you are a technician, a scientist, invited or hired by the Spanish authority or public institutions, this is your place. Yes, because you don't have any employer here, so this is your place. So technicians and scientists, this is your visa. All right, teachers, technicians, researchers and scientists invited or hired by Spanish university. Yes, so these two, this side is also for you. Yes, you need it. Managerial, teaching or research staff from cultural or educational institutions, private or state-owned, with renowned reputation, officially recognized by Spain. Yes, so if you work in any institution across the world and your institution is recognized by Spain, when you apply for this visa, you are going to get it very easily. All right, so let's move on. Civil or military officials from foreign states administration that come to Spain to perform activities under cooperation agreements with the Spanish administration. Yes, so if you are a military personnel, police personnel too, you can apply for this visa. Yes, and when you get to Spain and you get any job, you'll be given a residential permit. All right, so let's move on. Members of international scientific missions duly authorized by the relevant Spanish administration that will engage in studies or research activities programmed by an international organization or agency. Religious ministers and members of the church hierarchy, faiths and religious communities, and professed religious or religious orders. Yes, so these are the people who can meet the requirements to enter Spain with the opportunity or working or employee visa. Yes, without any employer signing for them. Yes, so if you are a pastor, if you are a scientist, if you are a lawyer, a judge, a military personnel, any government work you do, you can apply for this visa. Yes, you can apply for this visa, and when you come and you secure a job within the next 1 year, you stay behind and work and you have your residence permits. After 7 years, you can apply for the Spanish passport. All right, so let's move on. So you need your criminal record check certificate. Yes, your criminal record check certificate, which is not more than 3 months. Yes, this certificate should not be more than 3 months. Yes, before you start processing, not by the time you start, like let me say it, like by the time you submit your visa application form. Yes, the criminal check record certificate should not be more than 3 months. All right, so put that in mind. Yes, this is very, very important. Is destroying many people's visa forms. Yes, because some people might apply with a criminal record maybe 5 months old as well. With that, they will deny you a visa. All right, they will deny you a visa. So your criminal check record should not be more than 3 months. All right, so put that in mind, and when you start, you be careful with that. All right, so you need a medical certificate. Yes, a medical certificate from an authorized and recognized medical practitioner. Yes, a medical practitioner, which is also no more than 3 months. Yes, this embassy and the ministers assigned to these embassies, they take this records very, very serious. Yes, they take these records very serious. So be mindful of it and go according to what is what is expected of you. All right. So you need your proof of residence in the consular district here. So whether you are Ghanaian, you need your identity card or your birth certificate. Yes. Proof of the representative's identity and capacity. Yes. Payment of the visa fee. Yes. So you need a form. Yes, a consular fee form. Yes. So you let me know when you are ready. Then I will send that form to you also. All right. Yes. So you payment of the visa fee. All right. So let's look at the procedure. So the procedure, who can apply for a visa? Yes, the visa applications must be submitted in person by the applicant or by one of their parents if the applicant is a minor. All right. Visa application period. The visa application must be submitted within a period of 1 month. Yes, counted as the day after the date on which the employer is notified of the favorable. This one is for the TRI, right? Place of submission. Applications must be submitted in person at the consular office. That's the embassy, which you are stated in whether Ghana, Nigeria, because everywhere you just go to the Spanish embassy, right? Then you submit it. So you need to book an appointment before you submit your visa. All right. So the email address where you book your visa will be posted in the description. Yes, along with the previous videos. Yes, the previous videos that we talked about, we began with, and the student visa application requirements. All right. So the where to book your appointment for the visa, I will post the email in the comment in the descriptions. Yes. So anything you need, you just go to the description and you get it. All right. So after before you book you given name and surname, details for the appointment. All right. Passport number, email address, phone number, place of residence, type of residence, visa you wish to apply. All right. Please attach your email to the initial residence and employee work permit. All right. So that's for the TRA. We are not going for that. So you need the proof of receipt. Yes. So the proof of receipt to that's when after you pay for your application fee. Yes, application fee. Yes. So that's it. So decision period for residence and employment work visa, the legal period for reaching a decision is a 1 month from the day after the application submission date. But this period may be extended if an interview or additional documents are required. All right. So for the working or employee visa, it is 1 month application period, and then it may be extended when they will need you for interview or for any additional documents to be verified. All right. So collecting the visa must be collected in person by the applicant or by the legal representative if the applicant is minor within a maximum of 1 month, counted as the day after the date on which the favorable decision is notified. The consular office will inform the applicant regarding the procedure for the return of the passport and any other original documentation. All right. So after 1 month, when they notify you, you need to go for your passport and your visa. All right. Visa refusal. So visa refusals will always be notified in writing, setting forth the grounds on which the decision adopted was based. Yes. So if they refuse you your visa, they will tell you why they refused you in a letter. Yes, not email. All right. Appeals. So if a visa is refused, the applicant may submit an appeal for reconsideration to this consular office within 1 month of the day from the. Yes. So if they refuse you, yes. So validity of the visa. If the contract is for 1 year, the visa will be valid for 90 days. So after if they give you the employee or the working visa within 3 months, you need to arrive in Spain. Yes, you need to book your flight and come to Spain and search for jobs. So immediately when you enter Spain, you have no problem. You can stay for 1 year looking for a job. All right. But if you haven't gotten, if after 90 days you are still in Ghana, the visa has expired. Yes, it doesn't matter that it is 1 year visa. Yes, after 3 months, if you are still in Ghana, the visa has expired. All right. So sworn translation and legalization. So if they need you for anything, for you to translate any of your documents, they will inform you. Then you do so. So that's what we have for you today. Yes, the employee or the working or the opportunity visa. Yes, I hope you take advantage of this information that I'm giving out here. So If you don't understand anything, just reach out to me in the comment section. Yes, just reach out to me in the comment section. I'll be readily available to answer all your questions and give you every information you need. Yes, every link and every email that I've talked about, I'll be posting it in the description. Yes, so I want you to watch this video to the end, share for others to also be informed, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So until we see you again next time, we are going to bring you the Schengen or the family or the tourism visa. Yes, so stay with us. We have much and lots amazing information coming your way. Yes, so stay with us till you see you again. It's the Original Source TV.